Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today I want to show you a really cool tool that we just got from Metabo HPT. It's their cordless multi-volt heat gun. We use these quite often to repair scratches and imperfections in materials. So if you like this video, as 17% of you do because you've already subscribed to our channel, if you get something out of these videos, please click that subscribe button. We really appreciate it and thank you very much. We have the gun. It's a tool-only deal. It doesn't come with any batteries, but this heat gun runs off of one of their multi-volt batteries. So it's a 4 amp hour on 36 volts or 8 amp hour on 18 volt. It's PH18DA, so this is an 18 volt cordless heat gun. You can run the older style batteries on this, but when you're running the multi-volts, you're gonna get an 8 amp hour rating, which is pretty good. There's two things that we use most about this gun. It's to repair scratches and indentations in decking, and it's also to run heat shrink butt connectors and heat shrink around wires and things like that when we're doing our low voltage wire systems on our decks. So a couple features. It has a little hook here, which is kind of nice for hooking it to a ladder or a rafter or just any whatever, your pants, apron, that kind of thing. It stows away really nice. There's a digital heat control on the top, digital readout. There's two settings. So one setting, you can set it to go up to only a certain amount. It runs on low. So it's set at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, we can go up to 100 and let's see how high it goes on medium. Okay, it'll go all the way up to 752 degrees on the first setting. And then on high, it'll go up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's pretty hot. It comes with a few different nozzles. So if you want to concentrate your heat, you can use this. If you want to run a wide blade, you can run this one. Or if you want to deflect down and not blow out so much, you can use this one here. And they just all fit right on the top of the head, just like that. Piece of cake. I was just going to show you guys an example of what I use it for the most, and we'll zoom in on this. Let's just say you get a light scuff in your deck. Now, this is not going to remove heavy, deep gouges in your deck board. It will remove a dent, and maybe we'll show you an example of that as well. But sometimes our decking comes pre-scratched. We don't even, it's complimentary. We don't have to pay for it. It just comes pre-scratched. And I really appreciate that, guys. All right, so let's say you got a light scuff. That's a medium scuff. I had to use a little bit of extra girth because we want you to be able to see it. But we're gonna try to remove that scratch now with our heat gun. I'm gonna put it on the high setting on 1022 degrees, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to erase this. The whole idea is that you don't wanna keep the heat in one spot, but you wanna apply enough heat so that it actually manipulates the grain a little bit. And like I said, that was a pretty deep scratch, so we might not get it out 100%, but we're gonna get some of it out. The thing is, you don't wanna put so much pain to this that you ruin the board. Where's that other, can you see this one? Yeah. Okay, this one should disappear. Yeah, okay, that one's gone. All right, guys, so you can kind of see a super deep gouge, maybe not gonna get it out 100%, but a lighter scratch took it out right away. All right, so while I'm here, I'm not sure if I actually explained the digital readout, but when you have the readout on, there's a plus and a minus sign, so you can dial up and down your temperature to get it to whatever temperature you want, okay? So, not a bad little unit. I'm definitely gonna put this in our tool trailer, and we will use this because sometimes you're done with the deck, you've washed it, it's clean, it starts to dry out, and then you're taking everything away, and you're like, oh, there's a scratch in the deck. This has happened to me more than twice. Then you gotta go to the trailer, you gotta pull the heat gun, you gotta pull an extension cord, you gotta plug it in, unwrap the cord, find the spot, blah, blah. This, you just grab it, throw a battery in it, or it's already got a battery in it. It's not gonna turn on in transit because of the way the switch is. It's highly doubtful that it's gonna turn on during transit. So you could just flip it on, make your repair, and be done with it. So definitely a cool tool, something that we'll add to our arsenal. If we have any issues or blessings with this product, I will definitely give you an update in the future, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this cordless heat gun. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.